Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 is the slope formula. It says slope is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And the problem says find the slope of the line passing through the points negative 3, 5 and 3, negative 4. So I'm going to label my first point, which I will use negative 3, 5. So my first x coordinate is negative 3, and my first y coordinate is 5. And I'm going to call 3, negative 4 the second point. So my second x coordinate is 3, and my second y coordinate is negative 4. And now all I have to do is substitute. Slope is equal to y sub 2, which is my second y coordinate, is negative 4, minus y sub 1, my first y coordinate, which is 5, over x sub 2, my second x coordinate, which is 3, minus x sub 1, which is my first x coordinate, of negative 3. And I'm going to put that in parentheses because I have the negative from the formula and the negative from the coordinate. The opposite of a negative is a positive, or dash dash means plus. Now I'm going to simplify. Slope is equal to negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9, and 3 plus 3 is 6. That fraction can be reduced by 3 over 3. Negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So my slope is negative 3 over 2.